What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 100% honest slime review of V-Money Slimes, and I am really excited. So in the package here, she actually gave me some extras like a pop socket and some candy, which I'm super grateful for, so thank you so much, Viki. And she also gave me 3 extra slimes, y'all. I only ordered 5 and she gave me a total of 8, so I'm shook because of that. Alrighty, so the first slime is actually a clear slime and it is scented. It actually smelled really nice and fresh. This one is called Sad Boy Juice. The slime was really thick, really clear, and I just loved it so much. And on top of that, it was scented and it smelled really, really nice. The next slime from Viki was chocolate chip cookie crumbs, and this one was super good. I was so excited to get my hands on it. This is a snow fizz, and y'all, spoiler alert, it is one of the best snow fizz textures I have ever felt. Viki has like really mastered it because it's really nice, light, and airy, yet dense and kind of thick at the same time. It's just really good, and of course that chocolate chip cookie scent was A1, so it was just great. I have nothing bad to say about this slime. This next slime is another clear one. This one is called Yee Juice, and I got this one because it is my favorite color, yellow, obviously, and I love clear slime. Who doesn't love clear slime? So I had to get this one. I don't detect a scent on this one, so I'm not too sure if it's scented, but I do love how thick it was and the clarity of it as well. Even though it stuck to my hand. I think it was just my hands that day. It was just being crazy. Let me know, do any other slimers have that problem? I feel like because I make slime for a living and I'm literally making slime 24/7, I wash my hands about 2 million times a day, so it really dries them out. So when I go to touch a slime, especially clear slime, it usually sticks to my hands like crazy. This next one here is called Chicky Vicki, and it is one of Viki's best sellers, and it's actually not a stranger to my channel before because I've actually shown it because I've gotten one for free from Viki before from I want to say it was like Slime Bash or something like that. So I've definitely showed y'all this before. I just wanted to show you again because it's still really, really good, thick, glossy, and it's scented really nice and sweet, and I just love it. Another slime I was really excited for, this one is called Vicko Mode, and I believe the name is inspired by the song Sicko Mode by Travis Scott and Drake. I'm just saying, that is just my observation. I don't know if that's a fact, but I really love the name and I love the idea of this slime. It's like a jelly icy kind of hybrid, and I really love that. It was super spreadable for a jelly icy hybrid, and it smelled really nice, and of course those vibrant colors were perfect. I literally have no complaints on any of these slimes so far. Everything is top notch. Viki is one of those shops you will never be disappointed with. This next slime is called Chicky Vicki, and I believe this was an exclusive Easter slime, and this one Viki actually hooked it up with as well, and this one was free. I love the vibrant color of this slime, and I believe it was a DIY clay slime or maybe like a DIY butter slime. It was just really, really nice, and I loved it so much. Y'all, when I got the package and I saw that there was extra slimes, I like wanted to go to tears. You could hear it in my Instagram post. I just, love that, and Viki hooked it up so much, and I love her. So thank you, girl, if you're watching. And yet another slime that my girl Viki hooked it up with. This one is Clicky Vicki, and just like the name suggests, it is super, super clicky, and I love the pink to white ombre. It's a really good. And the last slime, we have chocolate Lactaid. Now this slime is a chocolate milk slime, but she did Lactaid because I believe Viki is lactose intolerant. So that is why it is chocolate Lactaid instead of just chocolate milk. I really love the chocolate color of this and the scent. It smelled really, really nice, and it was very, very glossy. Just that color and the gloss, it was just an amazing combination and just really, really nice. There's really nothing else I could say besides, Viki, you did that. Alrighty, y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and slime related content. Also, don't forget to go ahead and follow Viki. I loved all of these slimes, so go follow her at the Money Slimes if you want to see some fresh, fun, and new content. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!